Gentlemen, if someone asked me whether it's possible to naturally boost male energy after 60, I would quickly tell them the story of ancient Greek Olympic athletes and warriors. These men stayed active on battlefields well into their 70s and even 80s, could compete with younger men, and most importantly, never lost their masculine strength and vitality. Modern medicine tells you that aging is unavoidable, that testosterone levels naturally drop after 50, and that this is simply a normal part of life. But ancient Greek texts, especially the writings of Hippocrates, contained many records of older men keeping the same strength and vigor as men half their age. So how was this possible? Greek physicians and philosophers believed the human body consisted of 4 basic elements: blood, phlegm, yellow bile, and black bile. They discovered that keeping these 4 elements in balance was the key to health and strength. And most importantly, they used 3 specific foods to maintain this balance. These 3 foods were so effective and powerful that Spartan warriors ate them before every battle. Athenian philosophers used them for mental focus. Olympic athletes took this formula before competitions, and most remarkably, older Greek men used this mixture to keep their youthful performance well into their later years. I'm Dr. Laura, and for 14 years, I've been working in urology, studying how men can age well by combining ancient medical traditions with modern science. When I first came across this Greek formula, I saw it only as a historical curiosity. But when I studied it from the view of modern nutritional science and biochemistry, I understood why this combination of 3 foods was so extremely effective. Modern nutritional science has shown that these 3 foods create a combined effect when eaten together. Foods that are mildly helpful when taken alone become a powerful formula that boosts testosterone production, speeds up circulation, and improves energy metabolism when mixed in the right proportions. But here's the most interesting part. The modern food industry sells these 3 foods separately, often in processed forms, which removes their real power. Ancient Greeks consumed these foods in their raw form, in specific proportions, and with a special preparation method. These details are very important for the formula's effectiveness. Today, men turn to costly supplements, synthetic testosterone, and medicines with side effects. Yet this natural formula, when prepared correctly, can produce better results than most synthetic products. This is because the body can process and absorb natural foods much more easily than artificial substances. The reason this formula is so dependable is that it affects the same biological systems that control masculine vitality, circulation, nerve function, and hormonal balance. When these systems begin declining, they don't just affect one area of your body. They create noticeable changes throughout your entire system. Where in the world are you watching this? I'm always amazed by our global community. Drop your location below and make sure you hit subscribe for more content like this. In ancient Greek texts, this formula was called andria, meaning masculine power. This formula consists of 3 basic foods: raw honey, raw almonds, and fresh figs. But simply mixing these foods in any way isn't enough. Ancient physicians prepared these 3 foods in specific proportions and in a particular order to achieve the best effectiveness. First component, raw, unprocessed honey. Ancient Greeks believed honey was the nectar of the gods because it gives direct energy and contains zinc, magnesium, and B vitamins that support testosterone production. Modern research has shown that raw honey increases nitric oxide production and improves circulation. Processed honey loses these qualities, so raw honey is necessary. Second component, raw, unroasted almonds. Greeks viewed almonds as Zeus's gift. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc, which are important for male hormones. They also contain the amino acid arginine, which widens blood vessels and improves circulation. Roasted almonds lose much of their nutritional value, so raw almonds are needed. Third component, fresh, not dried figs. Figs are very rich in potassium, fiber, and natural sugars. Ancient Greeks called figs the fruit of fertility. Figs balance blood sugar levels, allowing better absorption of the other two foods. Dried figs shouldn't be used because their sugar content is too high. Here's the complete formula: 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 10 raw almonds, and 2 medium-sized fresh figs. The preparation method is very important. First, finely chop the almonds. Cut the figs into small pieces. Then add the honey and mix well. This mixture should sit at room temperature for 30 minutes so the components can blend together. The scientific basis of this formula works like this. Honey provides quick energy, while almonds provide long-lasting energy and protein. Figs improve the absorption of the other 2 foods. When these 3 foods are taken together, the body receives both fast and steady energy. Testosterone production increases and circulation improves. Usage method. Take this mixture in the morning on an empty stomach, 45 minutes before breakfast, daily for the first week, every other day for the second week, and 3 times per week from the 3rd week onward. Too much consumption can upset blood sugar balance. Expected results: energy increase is felt in the first week. Morning erections improve in the second week. General vitality and libido increase in the 3rd week. From the 4th week onward, performance and endurance improve greatly. I'm Dr. Laura. The combination of ancient wisdom and modern science is the key to healthy aging. 3 simple foods, proper preparation, lasting results. Thanks for watching.